Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How are you?
Okay, I am fine. And you?
I'm good. I'm trying. Thank you.
Okay, so now, okay, you can send me the code link. Okay, let me try to open. Okay, now what is the problem you face in here?
Okay, so I trying to set up the code where I can be able to analyze different water body by just changing the ROI, navigating the ROI. So that gives me a little bit of problem, and I kind of figure out a different mentor where I can just analyze the chlorophyll time series along with the temperature time series and see if there is any correlation
For
between
the
the both.
temperature, what data you want to use? For the temperature, what data you want to use?
The Landsat 8 satellite,
Okay,
Landsat 8
okay.
satellite, yeah.
Okay, understand. Okay. Okay, so now, okay, so can you share the screen when you want, what's the problem you can face? Then I also try to guide you. Okay, then you can send me the code link again. Then I also try to make the LST, mainly water temperature, okay, using Landsat. Okay,
Okay,
so, okay, now kindly share your screen, then I will check it. What's the problem now you can face? Yeah.
okay,
Okay, and you already send me a code link. Okay, try share, yeah. Okay.
and then
Yeah.
you see on the right here, I don't know, I tried downloading these images, but it doesn't appear in my Google Drive. Like it appears like it downloaded, and then when I click on the drive, it doesn't open at all. So okay, now we have this data set. Let's just load. It's just loading.
Okay.
Perfect. Yeah, this is pretty perfect. So now this is like Victoria. I can use this same code and just maybe change the ROI and change one or two one or two code within the data set to be able to observe other lakes. But if I do, it doesn't seem to work.
Okay, you can simply try another region. So further, you can simply go to the up of the code. Okay, suppose
Okay, let me.
yeah, yeah. So go to your region of interest. Which area you want to monitor? Simply go to this region of interest. Yeah.
Okay, let me find it quick. Okay, this this is
Okay.
Lake Tower.
Okay. So now simply go to the up of the code and remove the ROI. Okay, remove this ROI. You can see the first, yeah, click and then delete. So now click on the rectangle. You can see the rectangle. Yes, click
Hmm.
and then select your study area. Mainly just draw the rectangle. Yeah. Okay, after doing this thing, simply click on the geometry. You can see the geometry in the code editor. Just put the name ROI. Yes. So now try to run the code again and then check what happened. Now zoom out this figure. Yes. So now click on the geometry import. You can see the geometry import. Uncheck geometry import. Yeah. That's uncheck. Yeah. So now it remove. Okay. So now I can get this result for this study area. Okay. And you can see there is no problem. Now it extract the information from the chlorophyll for this lake. And you can simply click on the tax tab. Now you can also download this type of chlorophyll concentration map. You can also download as a TIFF format. Further, you can easily work with that.
Okay, so here click on the tag, and then I had to click on just run. But if I do, let me just run that. So is there any different way that I can download it here or any format? Because this is, I think this is just the format to download it, right?
Yes. We can download at the TIFF format, GeoTIFF. Yeah.
TIFF, this one.
Yes.
GeoTIFF format.
Yeah.
Okay. So I click this, save to drive, and then click run.
So now it will be starting the exported this chlorophyll map.
And then why it is doing that, let me find the one for the temperature. So when this map is extracted to the drive, will it come along with this
No. We cannot get the legend. We cannot get the legend. Just it extract that grayscale color of your map. Okay, then further you have to use the ArcMap software or QGIS software to make the legend, title, and other elements of your map. Okay, in this time we are just getting the TIFF image. This TIFF image we have to use the ArcMap or QGIS software, then make the proper map, such as add the legend, title, or scale. Then we can also get the better result.
Okay. So let me find the code for the temperature.
If you want, you can also make the other code, open the other code editor and then make the code, open the code.
Yeah. I just opened another.
Yeah.
So
now it's also working. You try to make the new code editor, and then further you can also work from here.
So this is the code I try making for the temperature analysis, the temperature time series.
I cannot see. You can simply share the another tab or another whole screen.
Oh, okay. So you can see this now?
Yes.
So this is the code I tried making for the temperature analysis, but then it's not picking up the exact ROI. It just sprayed the entire place. I tried formatting and changing the click.
Okay, so in this time you try to remove the legend part, title, mainly your legend part in this time not need. So you can simply go to the up, mainly slowly go to the down. More. So from here, suppose go to the up, you can see the legend, mainly it's the legend position. You can simply go to the up. Okay, so some line number 57. 57.
Oh, 57. Here.
Yeah, 57, and then go to the up, 55 or 53, 52. Yes. 53. Try to remove all of those things from 53. Okay, start from 53 and then remove all of the below of this code. Okay, from 53 to all of those things. More also all of things. Okay, start from the 53 and go to the last part of the code. More, yeah, yes, remove, yeah. So now click to the run.
Right.
Okay, so now in this time, past layer is not added, and it also show about the whole study area, but you want to extract only for the water body, but it not show the
Yeah.
water body. So let me try from my side. Okay, just you can stop the sharing, and then I also try to do in from my side. Okay,
So I
what
can
else?
resend you the code.
Yeah, I already get the code, no problem. I already open this code.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so now I can step by simply share my screen, and further we are just try to solve the problem. Yeah.
Okay, let me stop sharing.
Can you see my screen? Is it visible? Yeah.
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay. So basically, in this time, we add the listen later. In this time, listen part is not need. So just I simply remove this listen part from here, and then try to find out what is the problem of this code one by one. So in this time, we are using this Modis satellite data. Okay. So for the Modis, okay, so Modis Equa data, and we can also make the time series data for Modis Equa. Okay, so it's a Modis. Let me check the data set. Is it?
Or maybe we can use
It is a
Mensa.
Modis Aqua surface temperature data. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
That's
It's
it.
okay, no problem. And first of all, you can simply this is your study area. Okay, and then this is your time period, and this is the Modis Aqua surface temperature data. You try to put in here, and further you select the temperature. Mainly, you want to calculate the about this time series chart, and also convert it from degree Celsius result. Okay, good. And further you try to create the median composite of the temperature data. So temperature, you want to make this time series data median. So why you use the median in here? You want to
So
put here, yeah.
I was just using the same format like when I was doing the Chlorophyll extraction, because you said if I use just one image, it might not cover the whole lake. So I had to use a medium to see what I can get
Okay,
a
so
control.
in this time it's not a satellite image. So for that, it's one kind of ready-made data set. For that, in this time, suppose I want to show the result for average temperature. Okay, average
Yeah.
temperature. So for that, you can use at the mean. It also better because in this time we calculated the average temperature.
Okay. So you
Okay,
use a
so
me.
yeah, mean. And further, okay, it also okay. And further, it also clip with our study area. Clip with our study area mainly your lake of bacteria. This you already define in here, lake of bacteria. Simply copy and then further paste here. Okay, lake of bacteria. And then further, it also okay. Temperature, okay, we can just simply add the visualization and also put the layer. And further, you just try to okay. So it's the temp. Okay, it also okay. We try to calendar and it's okay. It also okay. Okay, and further create the true color composite from Modis Equa. We also call the Modis Equa data set. So try to put at the red, green, blue, and median. And further, you try to use at the clip function, clip with Lake of Victoria. Then we can get the result only for the Lake of Victoria. And further, we also make the time series chart for the Lake of Victoria. Okay, it also okay, no problem. Okay, so now try to check what happened. In this time, it show you this type of problem. It show the problem. Layer error reduce dot median. Okay, reduce dot median, and red did not match any band. Okay, so in this time you face the problem in here. Okay, in this time Modis Equa there is no band. In this time Modis Equa basically it started the another data set. In this time I just try to ignore this part. I just simply now it will work. So in this time you also add the another data set, but Modis Equa in this time this Modis Equa is only for that LST. Okay, So is there no about that modis aqua data or aqua reflectance is not here. So this modis aqua, the mainly this variable stored the aqua temperature. Okay, aqua temperature. Okay, modis aqua. This data set only for the temperature data, modis temperature data. So this data have only for the one band, mainly LSTD 1 kilometer. But when you want to put here this type of band, you can see red, green, blue, then it not work because this data set have not this type of band. Okay. So now here you can see we can get this type of time series chart from here. And I also try to clip these things so that so we can get this type. It's a LST. Okay. So it's a LST map for this water body. And if you want, I want to try to add the full leg, so I remove that. I just commenting these things from here, so commenting, and I try to add the full leg. So just I try to start from here. Okay, so this is my full study area. I put this variable name Lake Victoria and then paste here. So now click to the run. So now it's loaded for this whole boundary. You can get this type of result. Okay, but it also more better when I just extract the water body. Suppose in this time you can see this type of reason is also show about that. For in this time for extracting the water body, we apply the different way. Suppose in this time we are just use a satellite image, and further we are just extracting the water body. Suppose I think we already show you suppose one code. So can you send me the previous code? Suppose after some time before, just send me this code, the previous code.
The previous code for
Mainly,
the
mainly,
temperature.
mainly, which I show you the another region. Okay, you just change the ROI and you can get the result for the chlorophyll. Just send me this code link. Okay, then I set these things with that. Then it is more perfect. Okay.
You mean the code link for the chlorophyll concentration?
Yeah, you can send me the chlorophyll concentration code link. Yeah, send me
Okay.
in my Google Meet inbox. Okay, can you find out that?
I send it there right now. I send it.
Okay, let me check. Okay, so in this code, mainly we are using at the Sentinel-2 satellite imagery. Okay, so using the Sentinel-2 satellite imagery, we try to extract the water body, and further we try to calculate the chlorophyll concentration. Okay, so in this time we have also used the same approach. Suppose I just use the Sentinel-2 satellite imagery, and further I just try to extract the information for LST, modis equa LST. So let's check. We try to implement these things. So first of all, we take a satellite imagery. So just I simply copy the same code from here. The cloud free. Okay, we take the median images. Okay, and also okay, just I try to use it. So basically, it's provide you the water body. Okay, because in this time this result also show about the outside of the water body, but I want to show this result only for the water body. Okay, so that's why I need to extract the water body from this satellite imagery. Okay, so let's go, we try to do that. So just I write the code in here. So in this time you can see it's a similar code. Okay, suppose I want to extract the water body between this time period, and I also want to use this code for removing the cloud and haze from this satellite imagery. Okay, it also done, and further we try to calculate, suppose mndwi. Okay, mndwi. Then I want to extract the water body. So I simply copy and paste here. So in this time, okay. So in this time it also okay. So in this time, just I try to use here the lake of Victoria, and it also filter bounds with our study area. Just paste here. Filter bounds. Clip with filter bounds, and further we try to add the image. Okay, I'll add the letter about that, and we are just try to use the index, mainly mndwi, and extract the water body. So now click to run. In this time, just it show the water body from the Lake of Victoria, and further we are use this water body and extract the LST information. So let's go. Now it working. You can see. Okay, you can see. We can get this is our water body, mainly cyan color water body. Okay, so it will be opening. Yeah, so this is our water body. Okay, and we are just use this satellite image. So basically this is our satellite imagery. From
Mm-hmm.
this satellite imagery we are just extracting the water body. So this is our water body. So now further we are just use this water body and check about the temperature. So let's go. We try to check it. For doing these things, we are just add this chlorophyll.